Okay, so guys, today we're going to be subtracting mixed numbers from each other. It's very important that you know that you cannot subtract fractions from each other that do not have the same denominator. Okay, so our first thing, well, it becomes a bit complicated now because it's mixed numbers, but do not be afraid, you know how to do this. So the first thing that you'll do is convert your mixed numbers into improper fractions. Once you have them as improper fractions, then you can subtract them from each other by making sure that they have the same denominator. Then once they have the same denominator, then you can subtract them from each other. So let's do that. The first thing that we're gonna do is convert this into improper fractions. And how do you convert a mixed number into an improper fraction? You will multiply the whole number with the denominator. 4 times 9, which is 36. Then you will add the numerator with whatever you get. So 4 times 9 is 36 plus 1 is 37. So that's how you get 37 over 9. And then you keep the subtraction sign. Let me do that in a different color. So you will do the same thing. Now you say 5 times 3, which is 15, right? And then 15 plus 2 gives you 17, right? So I hope I did not lose you there. So now you will have 17 over 3. So first you convert it into improper fractions. The next step is you will then look for the LCM, simply because you cannot subtract or add fractions that do not have the same denominator. So the LCM here would be 9, because 9 can go into itself once, and 3 can go into 9 3 times, right? So how do we then, so our LCM is 9, how do we then convert our 3 into a 9? Because this, it stays the same. So 9 times 1 is 9, 37. So whatever you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator. 37 times 1 is 37. So what you'll then do is, this side you have to convert it so that the denominator is 9. So what do you multiply with 3 to get 9? It's itself 3. So whatever you do to the denominator, you will do to the numerator. So you'll say 17 times 3 as well. So for lack of space, I'm gonna move this side. The first fraction will stay the same, so we'll still have 37 over 9 minus, because we have to convert this to have the same denominator, so we say 17 times 3, that's how you get 51. Then 51 over 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. That's then how you have an equation that you can actually solve. So because the denominators are the same, now you can subtract or add your numerators. So your denominator is obviously going to stay the same. 37 minus 51, that gives you a negative 14. So your answer is a negative 14. If I lost you in any of the steps, please make sure to comment below. But I hope you understand that if you are given an equation where you have to subtract or add mixed numbers, the first thing that you do is you convert it into improper fractions. Once they're improper fractions, then you can look for the LCM. Once you get the LCM, then you can subtract and do this right here. So yes guys, I hope you understand.